Hello, I'm Hannah from rijo42 and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a hot chocolate on our new coffee machine, the R1. So first of all, we're going to get our milk and steam it with the auto steamer using the latte button. Okay, great. So when it starts making a noise, your milk is done. So you want to carefully remove your jug and give your steam wand a quick wipe and purge. Okay, we're then going to put 3 scoops of chocolate powder into the jug. And then we're going to use our electric whisk to mix it all together. Okay, so when it's all nice and mixed in, I'm going to turn it off. And then we're ready to pour. Grab yourself a latte cup and pour from a height. And then finally, you want to get your chocolate powder and just lightly sprinkle it on the top, like so. And there you have a hot chocolate.